Hi people, today I'm in Blackpool and I'm at Vinnies family hotel on the promenade. So basically I've booked a family room. So should we take a look? Right, so we've got the double bed here. Nice firm pillows. And pillow covers. And there's encasement. Yeah, looks clean as well. Yeah, definitely clean. And then got two coat hooks at the back of the door, and you've got Wi-Fi password actually in the room as well. Dogs are welcome for £10 per night as well, and there's a welcome notice as well, which checkout is by 10, and if you want it until 12 you could pay £5 extra. No smoking. Got your teas, coffees, milks, all there. Spoons, cups, yeah, glasses, and kettle. Let's see how good the kettle is. Yeah, clean. So, and then you've got hairdryer there, you've got double plug socket there, radiator there, you've got bin there, which I will probably move because I don't fancy that near my bed. And then you've got a fan and a light lamp there. Got lamp there. Just, yeah, works. And bedside table. Oh, that one don't open. That one does. And that one does. Yeah, that don't seem to open. There's the view. Oh. So, yeah, I've got to stand on there to open it. But yeah, there's the view. So, sea view. And then you've got a second window here as well. And there you go. And then you've got TV there. Works. Also, you got 3 chairs there. I'm not going to show you all 3 because I've got granddaughter here as well and my daughter. And then we've got this chest of drawers here. Nothing in there. And then you've got this bunk bed. So as you go in like that. Oh, and you've got a full length mirror as well. And then you've got this fan heater fire as well. So that's quite nice. And then we've got these bunk beds. Of course, this firm pillows. And then mattress topper as well as encasement. So that's the bottom bunk. And that's your top bunk there as well. And then you've got this wardrobe. Excuse me, some of my stuff. You've got these coat hangers, velvet coat hangers. And they look clean as well. And then we've got the bathroom, right. Figure out the light. Ah, there we are. So, got a shower there. Shower head looks very clean. Hair and body wash. And of course a bath, and shower curtain looks lovely and clean as well. Yeah, and then you've got towels actually in the bathroom as well instead of on the bed. So yeah, so that'd be your bath mat, shower mat. Got toothbrush holder, glass. No, so you got hanging rail there, and coats there, and then sink, plenty of toilet roll as well. Toilet's clean, yeah, and you've got a bin there. And also you got 4 lots of soap there and a mirror. So yeah. Right, so for 4 nights it costs £224 for this room. So I think that's a bargain really. So let me know if you've stayed here before or if you're willing to stay here. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.